How to change each app language on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the setting app. Now scroll down up to general management. Tap on a general management. Tap on a app languages. Choose the language you want to use for a specific app. Tap on it. Here you can see list of application. Only apps that support the language. You can see list of apps. Tap the language. Tap the app and select the language you want to use on that app. By default set the system default. Here we select Pinterest and select the app as a Hindi language in Pinterest. So whenever you open a Pinterest, it will change the language. Tap on it. Here you can access your Pinterest application as your preferred language. That's it. Just select the application and choose the language you want to use. That's it. If you like it, share it.